Yeah, that's great. You all are fine. It's good. Okay, today we will start our day with the date. Tell me, what's the date is today? Yes, today is first December. Now today we are starting the new month. We are in the new month now. Today is first December, and what the day is today? The day is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and what come after the Tuesday? Yes, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Look outside. Look outside the window and tell me how's the weather is today? Is it a rainy? No. Is it not rainy today? Is it a sunny? Yes, today is sunny. Today is sunny weather. Okay. Now tell me how many students are present today? Yeah, eight. Eight students are present today. And who is absent? Yes, nobody is absent today. Wow, that's great. Okay, and what the season is going on? What season is going on? Yes, autumn. Autumn season is going on. And what happened in the autumn? Leaves fall down. Good. Leaves fall down in the autumn season. And now we are in our English class, and we will learn about the letter B. After letter A comes B. Letter B. Yeah, this is the letter B. Today we will learn about the letter B. The starting sound, letter B, and it sounds like a B. The words start with the B. We will learn about. Like the B. What is this? Yeah, this is a bat. Bat. Ball. What is this? Yeah, this is a big butterfly. Butterfly. And what is this? Another word we have. Start with the letter B. We have another object which start with the letter B. This is the basket. Basket. And what is this? This is a bottle. Yes, this is a bottle. Bottle. And anybody can tell me what the color of this bottle? Yes, its color is blue. This bottle is in color blue. Blue. Okay, do you want to see the video? The video about the letter B? Yay! Okay, let's see. This is the letter B. You enjoy the video? Yes, that's a very good. Okay, now I will tell you how to write the letter B. It's a very easy peasy. For writing letter B, we have to use the 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. And we will start it from the top one line and write it on the 3 lines. Draw a straight standing line. Okay, a straight standing line on the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After draw a standing line, we will make a curve. We will start it from the top one line and make a curve between the 2 lines. Finish it on the second one line and again start it from the second one line and make a curve on, finish it on the third one line. And now it become a bow. It's a very easy. This is a letter B. Capital letter B. And now I will tell you how to write the small letter B. It's also very easy. It's looking like also the big one B. Again, draw a straight line on the three lines, started from the top one and finish it on the third one line. And again, draw a curve. Started from the second one line and finish it on the third one line. Yeah, it's done. It's the small letter B.